Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome 2 LO2, understand the reactions of alkanes. In this video, we will explore why alkanes are less reactive than other organic compounds and examine their key reactions, including combustion and substitution. You will discover how these hydrocarbons are important in both chemistry and industry and understand the principles behind their behavior. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons with only single carbon-carbon bonds. These strong covalent bonds require significant energy to break. Lack of functional groups makes them unreactive to acids and bases. They react under specific conditions like high temperatures. This explains their stability in various environments. Combustion is a key reaction of alkanes, crucial for their use as fuels. Complete combustion occurs with ample oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water. It releases significant energy, making alkanes efficient fuels. Incomplete combustion, however, produces carbon monoxide, a toxic byproduct. Understanding these reactions is essential for safe fuel use. Alkanes can undergo substitution reactions with halogens like chlorine. A hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen under UV light. This forms haloalkanes and hydrogen halides. The process can lead to multiple substitutions. These reactions are fundamental in creating various chemical products. Cracking breaks long-chain alkanes into smaller molecules. Thermal and catalytic cracking are the main types. It produces shorter alkanes and alkenes, useful in making plastics. This process is vital in the petrochemical industry. Cracking enhances the utility of crude oil components. Alkane combustion affects the environment significantly. Carbon dioxide emissions contribute to climate change. Incomplete combustion leads to air pollution and health risks. Understanding these impacts is crucial for sustainable fuel use. Responsible management of alkane reactions can mitigate environmental harm. Alkanes react with halogens through free radical substitution. The reaction involves initiation, propagation, and termination stages. UV light initiates the reaction by breaking halogen bonds. This leads to a chain reaction forming haloalkanes. Understanding this mechanism is key in synthetic chemistry. Haloalkanes are named based on their carbon chains and halogen positions. Prefixes like chloro and bromo indicate halogen types. The longest carbon chain is identified first. Numbering gives the lowest position to the halogen. Proper naming is essential for chemical communication. Haloalkanes undergo nucleophilic substitution where halogens are replaced. Nucleophiles donate electron pairs in this reaction. Hydroxide ions can replace halogens, forming alcohols. This reaction is vital for synthesizing various organic compounds. Understanding this process aids in chemical synthesis. Complete combustion of alkanes involves full oxidation. It converts alkanes into carbon dioxide and water. Balanced equations ensure mass conservation. Methane, ethane, and propane serve as examples. These equations are crucial for understanding energy release in combustion. Incomplete combustion occurs with limited oxygen. It produces carbon monoxide or soot. Balanced equations reflect this partial oxidation. Methane and propane are common examples. Understanding these equations helps in addressing pollution issues. Stoichiometry calculates gas volumes in combustion reactions. Balanced equations provide mole ratios. This helps predict carbon dioxide production. At room conditions, 1 mole of gas occupies a standard volume. This calculation is essential for environmental assessments. Balanced equations ensure mass conservation in reactions. Complete combustion releases more energy. It avoids producing toxic carbon monoxide. Understanding these principles aids in fuel management. This knowledge is crucial for both industry and environmental protection. Conclusion: This video has examined the distinct chemical reactions of alkanes and highlighted their significance. From combustion to substitution reactions, alkanes play a crucial role in both environmental processes and industrial applications. A thorough understanding of these reactions is essential for advancing sustainable practices and optimizing chemical production. If anything is unclear or you need help, WhatsApp us at 074-843-61688. Our team will gladly assist. Thanks for your time, and see you at the next session.